You better go out and buy stock now. Let me tell you, this country will be like a rocket ship that goes straight up. This is going to be numbers that nobody's ever seen before.
We literally are living in a simulation. I'm not kidding. We have the president of the United States saying, go out and buy stocks. But this isn't the first time that he said this. Do you remember what happened last time? Not that long ago, he tweeted out, it's a great time to buy. Of course, right after, he announced a 90-day pause on tariffs across most countries except China. This sent the S&P 500 and the rest of the market absolutely soaring. Literally, the S&P 500 had one of its greatest closes in history and was up over 9% in a single day. The comments today come up after the announcement of a new trade deal with the United Kingdom. He also sprinkled in a couple more hints at growing optimism about the China trade deal. And as expected, the stock market flew up with the S&P 500, Dow, and Nasdaq all going up over 1.5%. So what's going on with this UK trade deal? Long story short, we are maintaining a 10% tariff on UK imports. However, the US is reducing tariffs on auto and steel, signaling a softer tone on the whole policy. He, of course, sprinkled in that other nations are eager to come to the table. We have the Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent meeting with Chinese officials in Switzerland very soon. So we're going to see what happens when that comes out. So overall, the bullish sentiment is kind of through the roof. And my honest take right now is just hold strong. I mean, when the president tells you to buy, you probably shouldn't sell. At the very minimum is my belief. Now, this is not financial advice, but at the very least, I'm not selling. I may be doing some buying, but who knows what could happen. Let me know in the comments what you think. And last but not least, make sure to follow for more tips on investing and entrepreneurship. I cover the market and everything that's going on daily.